everybody, today we are going to discuss 10 GK questions. Question number 1. In which word will all the vowels occur? Comment the answer. I will tell the answer in next video. Question number 2. Who is the CM of Andhra Pradesh in 1988? Option A. Chandrababu Naidu. Option B. N.T. Ramarao. Option C. Pavan Kalyan. Option D. Jagan. The correct answer is option B. N.T. Ramarao. Third question. Who is the president of Russia in 2024? Option A. Vladimir Putin. Option B. Joe Biden. Option C. Donald Trump. Option D. Hu Jintao. The correct answer is option A. Vladimir Putin. Fourth question. Who is the president of China in 2024? Option A. Xi Jinping. Option B. Joe Biden. Option C. Hu Jintao. Option D. Xi Jinping. The correct answer is option D. Xi Jinping. Fifth question? Who is the tallest person in the world? Option A. Sultan Hussein. Option B. Chris Hireta. Option C. Kim Jong-un. Option D. Rick Rosner. The correct answer is option A. Sultan Hussein. Sixth question. What is the second largest building in the world? Option A. Burj Khalifa. Option B. Persian Merdeka. Option C. Shanghai. Option D. Lotte World Tower. The correct answer is option B. Persian Merdeka. Seventh question. Which country has the largest population in the world? Option A. India. Option B. Russia. Option C. China. Option D. Pakistan. And the correct answer is option A. India. Question number 8. Which country has the best medical support? Option A. India. Option B. America. Option C. Singapore. Option D. Austria. The correct answer is option C. Singapore. Ninth question. Who is the richest man in India? Option A. Elon Musk. Option B. Mukesh Ambani. Option C. Tata Birla. Option D. Gautam Adani. The correct answer is option B. Mukesh Ambani. 10th question. Who is the chairman of Microsoft? Option A. Elon Musk. Option B. Mukesh Ambani. Option C. Satyam Nadella. Option D. Sundar Pichai. The correct answer is option C. Satyam Nadella. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.